Let us continue. The next topic is list elements. So for this, 3 elements are available, that is a DL for definition list, DT is for definition terms, and DD is for definition description. So here first the definition list. How many definition you want? Suppose I want definition of 2 terms. So I simply start with a definition list opening tag, definition list closing tag. I want a definition of 2 terms. So first definition term, suppose HTML. So I'll put it just in between the DT opening tag and DT closing tag. Next definition term would be a dog. So I'll just put it first is opening DT tag and closing DT tag. Now a description about this term, description about HTML. So for this we use a DD term. So in between this DD tag we'll just describe the meaning of this of the HTML. So hypertext markup language in between this opening DT tag and a closing DT tag. Now definition description about dog is it's human's best friend. So I'll just put it in between opening DT tag and a closing DT tag. So here we are making a list of 2 terms. First one is the HTML, second term is dog. And we describe the terms. HTML means what, dog is what. So this is the output. This HTML is and dog describes the terms, and this is the definition of that terms. Okay. Now the attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the starting tag, okay, or we can say in open tag, first tag. Attributes usually come in a name or in a values where like a name. Attributes are added within a tag to extend a tag's action. You can add multiple attributes within a single tag. Attributes belong after the tag name. Each attribute should be separated by one or more space. That means if I want to declare multiple attributes together in a single tag, just give a single space. Okay, and if I want to initialize any value to that attribute, just use the equal sign. And values are limited to 1024 characters in a length. Here is few list of attributes available in HTML. That is the align attribute for making a line for left, center or the right alignment. For a border, thickness of the border. Then a background color. Then this is for height of table, width of table. And this N is what? N is what? It's a pixel, number of pixels. Then similarly this cell padding, cell spacing. Generally it is 4 attributes we use for making a table. Deciding the height of table, deciding the width of table, then cell padding, cell spacing, and this N is just what? It's a number of pixels. Okay, so cell padding is what? Set a space between the cells, cell wall and cell content of 10 pixels. And cell spacing is what? Set a space between the cells to 10 pixels. Let us see examples of attributes. So this is what? A body tag. This is opening body tag. So here we simply put a background color as a named khaki. The text here, this is what? A hex value. Okay, so after this hash, this first 00 is for a red color. Second, this 00 is for GG, that is for green, and this second 2 is for a blue color. So it indicates what? RGB format. And this is what? It's nothing but the hex value. Similarly, whichever value we want to initialize to that particular attribute, we simply use the equal sign if you observe in here. Okay. Similarly, this is for a table tag. So in a table tag, alignment is the left, then border is 0, that means it's a 0 value, then background color is red, cell padding is a 0, cell spacing is a 0, width set to 600. So these are the different attributes we use in the what? The starting tag. So it gives what? It gives a additional information. Okay, and always we use first the name of that attribute, then assignment operator, and then after that in double inverted comma we'll specify the value or what? The hex value, the name or the value. Value is always in hex. And if you observe here, we just give a single space in between for defining multiple attributes. Okay, that's it. If you want a detailed information about the HTML, you can visit this w3school.com. Thank you.